Hi, Caleb. When I finished the last lesson, I said, I'll see you soon for lesson 34. Oh, no, 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 no. That 34 is ancient history. I'm sure you knew I meant lesson 74, because that is where we were at. That is where we are at. We are going to tackle lesson 74. You're going to blow through this in no time. What John is trying to do is get us to add a chain of positive and negative numbers quickly and accurately, and he's got a little tip that he wants to give us. What he likes to do is he likes to take each number in its sign and put it into its own little parenthesis or bubble, so to speak. This becomes, see, I'm just packaging them, the sign and the number that follows in all of these cases. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add all of it. A fancy presentation that John has developed to help us keep the signs really great. I'm sure you could sit down and add that without any trouble. And see how this is the same thing with just a whole lot more writing involved. Now what we can do, though, is quickly and easily add these. And there's two different ways to add them. Right now what I'm going to do is just add from left. Minus 2 plus 3. I'm imagining that ladder, right? So I go down 2 steps. I'm at negative 2. Then I go up 3, so I'm at negative 1. Then I go down 5 more, so I'm at negative 6. And then I go up 7. Positive 1. Oh, this is negative 4. Because I'm at positive 1 here. Okay, let me say that all again. Negative 2, positive 3, I'm at positive 1 on the ladder. Then I go down 5, and that takes me to 4, and then I go up 7, and I'm at 3. The final answer is 3. Okay? Let's try it again. I'll write it out. You don't have to write this out of the book the way that I am. You can go straight to this presentation. Minus 3 plus, minus 2 plus, minus 6 plus, positive 2 plus negative 7. Each sign and number pair go in a bubble together, and then we add all the bubbles together. All right, I'll do it again. This time I'll try to do it right. Minus 3, down 2 more steps, so I'm at minus 5. Down 6 more, I'm at minus 11. Up 2, minus 9. And down 7 more, oh good heavens, I'm at negative 16. Okay? Adding from left to right, purposefully putting them in bubbles to help keep the signs and the numbers really clear. Okay, in part B, we're just going to mix that up a little bit. I'm going to give you another chain of numbers. Minus 3, minus 2, plus 3, minus 4, plus 5. Double checking. Okay, we're going to write them in their bubbles. Now this time, instead of going from left to right, which as I've demonstrated, it's easy to make mistakes and get tangled up. What we're going to do is we're going to take all the negative numbers and add them together. Because in addition, order doesn't matter, and we can add our numbers in any order we like. So I'm going to first combine all the negatives. 3 and 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So I get negative 9 when I add all of my negatives. And then I'm going to do my positives, which are positive 8. And that makes it much easier to get my answer of negative 1. This method always works, but to me, grouping the numbers into positives and negatives is a much more, it's satisfying, but to me it's also a much more accurate method because you're not climbing up and down that ladder so much, you're just clumping all the negatives, clumping all the positives. I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to say good luck with lesson 74 and the homework. And I will see you soon. Thanks, Caleb.